Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, a PNP councillor breaks her silence.
Well, this started out in February when I received some texts, which I shared with you, of him telling me about having dreams of having sex with me. And since that, and of course you saw where I responded, asking him if he was drunk.
Councillor Julian Chang is accusing the People's National Party of failing to act on claims of sexual harassment against a sitting member of parliament. Alleged screenshots, claims of retaliation, and a call for action, where the matter stands tonight. Also tonight, armed thieves strike a school still recovering from Hurricane Melissa, which caused extensive damage. Gunmen fire shots and make off with livestock valued at $500,000 from the Sydney Pagan STEM Academy. We're tracking the latest developments. And a deadly late-night confrontation in St. Anne. A minor crash turns violent, leaving a taxi operator dead. Tonight, a 25-year-old man has been charged with murder. How police tracked the suspect after a dramatic escape. Plus,
all right, so Dante, you've been out here shoveling. Tell me what's it been like outside for you.
The conditions is unbearable conditions. The snow just keep coming down harder and harder, no matter how you push the snow.
And there's good news tonight. A story of resilience and triumph from bartending to the classroom. How one woman rewrote her future and is now shaping young minds. Welcome or welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock those special rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a FUA Star or FUA Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight in Westmoreland, where serious allegations are now rocking local politics. A sitting councillor is breaking her silence, accusing her own party, the People's National Party, of failing to act on claims of sexual harassment and professional misconduct involving a sitting member of parliament. Councillor for the Savannah-Lamar Division, Julian Chang, is accusing the People's National Party, PNP, of failing to address allegations she has made against the Member of Parliament for Central Westmoreland, Dwayne Vaz.
Well, this started out in February when I received some texts, which I shared with you, of him telling me about having dreams of having sex with me. And since that, and of course you saw where I responded, asking him if he was drunk, right? Since that, we have not had a good relationship.
And beyond that message that I saw you sent to our producer, yes? Was there any other thing that you could say is suggestive of sexual harassment?
I have had instances of several unwanted sexual gestures and comments in the past.
Councillor Chang said she's speaking publicly now because of what she describes as the emotional and psychological toll the matter has taken on her. She alleges that after she rejected what she describes as unwanted advances, her professional relationship with MP Vaz deteriorated sharply. Chang claims that she was subsequently barred from constituency executive meetings, isolated from party leadership in the parish, and targeted with damaging rumors, including allegations that she was having an affair. She further alleges that the MP accused her of working with the rival Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, to undermine the PNP's political efforts in the constituency.
On the 22nd of August 2025, he removed me from the constituency executive WhatsApp group. And he removed me on the basis that I was giving the JLP information, pertinent information, as it relates to his campaign. Mind you, I was never a part of his campaign team.
Were you giving the JLP that information?
Not at all.
So where would he have gotten that from?
I have no idea. I was fixing a road in a predominant JLP area called Tivoli in Savannah-Lamar along Darling Street. And he accused me of doing a JLP road.
Dwayne Vaz was first elected MP for Central Westmoreland in 2014, lost his seat in 2020, and was returned to Parliament following the 2025 general elections. Councillor Chang says she reported the matter to the PNP's central executive, which she says promised to investigate. However, she claims no action has been taken to date.
Yes, I was told that an internal affairs commission would have been having a meeting with us, and to date I've not had a meet.
And when did you report it to the Secretariat?
Oh, this has been going on for almost a year now.
And no communication from the party leader or the party general secretary or any senior officer for the party?
I did try to reach out to the secretary, the general secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell, and I have not received a response.
She says her goal is simple: to serve the people who elected her without fear or intimidation, and she's now calling on the PNP leadership to urgently convene a meeting to address her concerns. Up to news time, MP Dwayne Vaz had no comment. Still in the West, armed thieves have targeted a school already struggling to recover from damages caused by Hurricane Melissa. Police say gunmen fired shots before making off with 7 goats from the Sydney Pagan STEM Academy in Elim, St. Elizabeth late Monday night. The animals are valued at approximately $500,000. Principal Milbert Miller says the loss is especially painful. 5 bucks and 2 does, one of the bucks and one of the does, were recently donated by the Ministry of Agriculture to help improve our stock. Losing them is a major blow, especially our service buck, Miller said. The school is still recovering from Hurricane Melissa, which caused extensive damage to its poultry facilities just 3 months ago. Police are investigating. In Westmoreland, police have made multiple arrests as part of an intensified crackdown on theft of Jamaica public service infrastructure and illegal electricity connections. In one incident, a man was arrested after being found illegally connecting electricity. He was taken into custody at the Savannah Lamar police station. In a separate operation, police discovered 17 utility poles bearing the JPS brand at another individual's premises. That suspect was taken into custody at the Withorn police station. JPS says these crimes pose serious safety risks. The company is urging the public to verify JPS workers and report any suspicious activity. No one, JPS says, should ever ask for payment to connect electricity. Any such activities should be reported to the nearest police station or by sending a text or WhatsApp message to JPS at 876-499-2061. Meanwhile, the company says it is now in the final phase of Hurricane Melissa restoration, with 94% of customers reconnected. An estimated 40,000 customers remain without power. Now to St. Anne, where a minor traffic collision turned deadly. Police say a 25-year-old higgler, Demario Ferguson, otherwise called Mari, has been charged with murder. Investigators say that around 2 a.m. on January 14, Ferguson reversed his Toyota Axio into a taxi operated by 49-year-old Paul Miller in Runaway Bay. A confrontation followed. Police say Miller was stabbed in the neck during the altercation. He was rushed to hospital where he later died. Ferguson and 3 others reportedly fled the scene but were later intercepted after their vehicle crashed along the Runaway Bay main road. After questioning, Ferguson was charged with murder. His court date is being finalized. Back to the courts tonight, one of 3 people charged in a massive $600 million fraud investigation has been granted bail. Ivana Campbell, a 29-year-old executive assistant, was granted a $1 million bail when she appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. She faces multiple charges, including breaches of the Proceeds of Crime Act, the Larceny Act, and Fraudulent Transactions Act. As part of her bail conditions, Campbell must surrender her travel documents and report regularly to police. Her co-accused, Dwayne Potter, is expected to appear in court next month. The alleged mastermind, medical doctor Chloe Duet, is scheduled to appear in court on Wednesday. Investigators say 5 financial institutions were defrauded using forged documents over an extended period. Also tonight, the 2 men charged in connection with a $2 million store break-in Angel Spanish Town we told you about last night were denied bail today. The men are Franklin Gross of Manchester and Ronaldo Murray of Westmoreland. The court heard that video footage placed Gross inside the store during the robbery, while Murray was seen near the getaway car. The judge ruled the men were not fit candidates for bail and remanded them until March 3. In other news tonight, a dangerous winter storm hit the New York City area on Sunday, bringing heavy snow and sleet.
All right, so Devontae, you've been out here shoveling. Tell me what's it been like outside for you?
The conditions is unbearable conditions. The snow just keep coming down harder and harder. No matter how you push the snow, it just keep coming. The snow is a devil. Yes.
And you guys have been out here for a while. About how long?
We've been out here since last night.
Ooh.
And we're not leaving.
Well, you're doing a good job out here. I've been seeing you all morning. And look at this shovel. This is a good one, right? Because this is one of those curved ones. I don't know. Yeah. How's this one working out?
This is no good. I need a better one. I need that three, four of them. Yes.
And how do you feel personally about the snow? I know you said it's unbearable right now. Is there any moment where you've enjoyed it at all?
Yes, I've enjoyed it.
Yeah?
Because the money is good.
It's good because you make money, right?
Yes, I enjoy it.
And we were talking about layers before, and how many do you have on? He's going to show us. And he's got a pretty cool belt buckle.
I have on this.
1,
2, and 3.
3. And that's good enough?
I hope so.
And you don't have any gloves on, sir.
Oh, my gloves in the truck.
Hi. Oh, hey, we have another viewer. Hey, you want to talk to us? So your gloves are in the truck?
Yes, my gloves in the truck.
Okay, Devontae, thank you so much for stopping to talk with us, and go put your gloves on. You're doing a great job out here.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Yes, and big up to my friends in Jamaica.
Oh, I wish we were in Jamaica.
Some places have got more than a foot of snow, and more snow is expected this weekend across New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut. Please stay safe. Now to some good news tonight. A lucky lotto player in Westmoreland has scooped a massive $71 million jackpot, the big lotto win of the year. The winning ticket was purchased at I&I Souvenir and Things. Supreme Ventures says the winner has 90 days to claim the prize, so the clock is ticking, please. For now, Westmoreland is celebrating, especially after what they've been through with Hurricane Melissa. And somebody, a Jamaican, is holding a ticket worth $71 million. So please check on your family in Westmoreland. And now to a story of resilience and determination. Once a bartender struggling to make ends meet, 31-year-old Shavane Wallace has transformed her life and is now a high school history teacher. Here's a story. She was raised in Red Hills, St. Andrew, left high school with strong academic credentials, but was forced into the workforce due to financial hardship. After unsuccessful attempts to pursue nursing, Wallace migrated to the United States, where she faced legal and personal challenges before returning to Jamaica in 2019 with little more than determination. During the COVID-19 pandemic, she turned to bartending to survive, later becoming an entrepreneur and small-scale farmer. Despite modest success, Wallace felt unfulfilled and in 2021 pursued her lifelong dream of becoming a teacher. Enrolling at Bethlehem Moravian College, she excelled academically, earning spots on the principal's honor roll and receiving awards for excellence in history. In November, Wallace graduated with first-class honors in education and is now employed as a history teacher, crediting perseverance, faith, and self-belief for helping her rewrite her future. Her message is simple. There's more out there. If you want it, go and get it. Definitely. Congratulations to you, Miss Wallace. And before we go tonight, let's pick up some of our viewers. She's So Sweet 271, Judith Brown Ramanand 9163, Shannon, Be Honest Now, and Carlette Sinclair. Thank you so much for watching, choosing us, and staying connected. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock those special rewards you'll love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe then click join and choose to become a FUA Star or FUA Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.